Hi friends, today let us see how to make a simple and easy recipe. It's a masala potato cheesy sandwich. This you can have it for your breakfast or you can have as an evening time snack also. This will be a no fail recipe among your children. For that we take two big onions and cut it lengthwise. It need not be a very thin slice, medium slices is okay. Now heat a vessel. Add 3 teaspoons of oil, let it heat, and after that add the onions and saute it. Now saute the onions till it becomes translucent and it slightly changes in color. You need not saute it till it becomes golden brown. A light color change is enough for this recipe. This much is enough. This much of sauteing the onions is enough. After this, I have added 1 by 4th of teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute this till the raw smell goes away. Keep the flame in low and then saute the ginger garlic paste, otherwise it will get burnt. Now add all the masalas. The 1/8 of teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 by 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon fennel powder also. I forgot to add fennel powder here. You can add it now. I have added in later stage. You can add it along with this itself. Now to enable the raw smell of the masalas to go away, I have added few tablespoons of water. And now saute this until the water evaporates and the raw smell of the masala also will go away along with this. Now it's time to add the mashed potatoes. I've boiled and mashed 3 big potatoes. Now add it along with this masala and add half a teaspoon of salt along with this. I'll give you all the measurements of the masalas and other things in the description box. You can check it there. Now this is the latest stage. I added the fennel powder. I've shown you the photo of that. Now all you need to do is just mixing and the masala potato is ready. Now let us see the assembling part. I have taken a whole wheat bread here. You can take the bread of your choice. Take the bread slice and spread the masala potato according to your taste. You can add lavishly if you are a potato lover. Your children usually will love potato. You can add a lot of the masala potato here. You can adjust the spice accordingly. This is not very spicy. This is the normal spice I've added. It's not too spicy. And after this I've added 1 slice of cheese to this. You can add any cheese of your choice. You can add shredded mozzarella cheese also to this. Any cheese will add the taste to it. It will enhance the taste. Now the assembling part is done. Now apply butter on both the sides. Now it's ready to get toasted in the hot tawa. I've added butter here because the one side I didn't add butter that time, so I've added butter on the tawa. Now let this side which is touching the tawa become crispy and light brown in color. So you have to make the sandwich in a low to medium flame. See to that the flame is not in high because it will burn the sandwich. Now turn it to the other side and let the other side also become crispy and brown like this one itself. See the cheese has already melted. The melted cheese along with the masala potato will taste really yummy. When you have a bite of the sandwich, the outside bread which is roasted in butter and the inside cheesy and masala potato together will give you a very good taste. Now it is the serving time. Cut the sandwich into the shape of your choice, how your children like it, and serve it. So this masala potato cheesy sandwich is ready. It will not take more time. It's a very good filling breakfast and also a filling evening time snack for the children who have come back from school. The outside will be crispy. Do try it and let me know how it was and how your children liked it. Thanks for watching the video.